Everyone, in today's video, I will discuss 6 Facebook campaigns objects so you know exactly which one choose for your next campaign. We can see that the name of the first object is awareness. This is for maximizing the number of people who see your ad. It's good for reach, brand awareness, and video views. Facebook will try to get your ad in front of as many eyes as possible. It's about making sure people in your chosen audience know you exist. It focuses on reach and brand recognition, not on clicks or sales right away. If you have a new brand and want to introduce yourself in the market, then you should choose this campaign. Our next object is traffic. The main goal of traffic campaigns is to send as many people as possible to your specific link from your Facebook and Instagram ad. If you want people to leave your Facebook or Instagram feed and go to another web page, use a traffic campaign. When you choose the traffic object, Facebook algorithm finds people who have been most interested in clicking on links in the past. Traffic campaigns are very effective if you need visitors to your website. But remember, even if you get a lot of traffic, if your website's offer is not good, you won't get sales of leads. Next one is engagement. Use this campaign when you want to increase followers or likes on your Facebook page or ensure participation in an event. This campaign good for Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp video views, post engagement, conversion, and calls. This object is for maximizing interaction with your ad. Facebook will show your ad to people most likely to like, share, comment, or respond to an event. And this campaign is very important to us. Our next object is leads. This is a high-value object. The goal is to collect information from potential customers or leads. The main purpose of a leads campaign is to collect contact information from potential customers who are interested in your product or service. With this campaign, you can create instant forms to collect names, email address, or phone numbers. Next object is app promotion. This one is specific. You should only use this campaign if you have a mobile app and your goal is to increase your user base. The main object of this campaign is to increase app installations or encourage those who have already downloaded the app to take a specific action within the app like purchase level, etc. Our last object name is sales, which means sales campaign. The main function of a sales campaign is to directly increase sales through your advertising. This helps Facebook find people who are more likely to buy your product. This is the king for e-commerce and product sellers. The goal is to drive purchases or other valuable conversion events like add to cart or initiate checkout. These are our 6 campaigns. That's all for today's video. In the next video, I will show you how to run a campaign.